It's summertime, my favourite time of the year, and for me that means exploring our amazing coastline and beaches. Here in Perth, we're pretty lucky, having an almost endless supply of different places to cool off or delve beneath the surface to an underwater realm. But that's just Perth. How do you experience the 12,000 kilometres of WA's coastline in a single day? Lucky for us, we're able to come here to AQWA, just 20 minutes from the Perth CBD. A visit here will take you on an underwater journey along our West Australian coast, from the cold waters of the Southern Ocean to the tropical coral reefs in the far north. And this is the place to be. It's iconic, and no matter what age you are, it'll bring back all those childhood memories. As the largest single aquarium in Australia, it offers an up-close view of sharks, rays, and a variety of vibrant marine life swimming all around you. It's an experience unlike any other. From the famous Travelator to a new perspective, why not join the behind-the-scenes tour, fully hosted by an AQWA Ocean Guide? So Laura, the behind-the-scenes tour, what do we get to see, and is there anything else new we get to experience?
Yeah, so we offer a special behind-the-scenes tour for our visitors where you get to go back of house behind some of our special tanks, so you even get to do a crayfish feed up close and personal with one of our guides. And you also get to go behind the scenes of our coral bank of WA. You get to see the microscopic corals up close, and yeah, a completely guided tour through the aquarium with one of our ocean guides.
So I know we get to see the aquarium from below, but do we get any new angles from it?
Yeah, so we also offer a special glass bottom boat ride for our visitors where you get to go above our main tank and view the animals from a completely different perspective below you. So you get to see how large some of our animals really are, like our grey nurse sharks and our smooth stingrays.
But what about getting hands-on? The team here have got you covered at the Discovery Pool. Here you can gently touch a sea star or even a cuttlefish, and the kids just love it. For all you thrill seekers, you're able to go diving with sharks, giant rays, and even a majestic loggerhead sea turtle. In an all-gear provided experience, you're able to go face to fin with the ocean's most majestic sea animals. If that's not quite your style, then feel free to check out the Turtle Rescue Rehab Centre. Here at AQWA, the team cares for sick and injured sea turtles before releasing them back into the wild. For young families, the Ocean Playroom is an absolute must. Packed with fun and interactive displays, it's the perfect space for little ones to play while learning all about the wonders of the ocean. And there's the Pirate Ship Playground, where kids can climb, explore, and embark on their very own high seas adventure. So come explore everything AQWA has to offer in one epic adventure. Whether you're a wonder seeker, thrill chaser, or just love all things oceanic, there's so much to do here.